Are you ready to transform your life through wellness, community, and culinary adventures? Vegan retreats are rapidly gaining popularity, offering more than just plant-based cuisine. Imagine rejuvenating your mind and body amidst nature, surrounded by like-minded individuals. These retreats provide immersive travel experiences focused on holistic wellness. Held in eco-conscious settings, they promote animal welfare and local culture. Travelers seek unique opportunities to enhance their wellness journeys. Vegan retreats offer transformative experiences centered on mindfulness and plant-based living. Participants enjoy a variety of enriching activities, from culinary exploration to mindfulness practices. Culinary vacations deepen understanding of plant-based living through new flavors. Mindfulness practices promote mental clarity and help reassess life goals. Retreats in beautiful natural settings positively impact physical and mental health. Being surrounded by like-minded individuals fosters deep friendships and insightful conversations. Adventure travel components like cooking classes and guided foraging trips enhance knowledge. Yoga and meditation activities foster inner peace and emotional balance. Choosing the right vegan retreat involves considering personal interests and dietary restrictions. Eco-friendly resorts in Bali or cultural experiences in Europe cater to diverse preferences. Opt for retreats that support local communities and sustainability. Eco-luxury resorts prioritize environmental conservation and animal welfare. Wellness-focused retreats include meditation, spa treatments, and guided fitness sessions. Culinary retreats feature cooking classes with local vegan ingredients and tasting sessions. Outdoor adventure retreats incorporate hiking, biking, or yoga in scenic settings. Cultural immersion retreats offer unique perspectives on sustainable living and vegan philosophies. Expect educational and healthy activities, comfortable accommodations, and nourishing vegan food. Mindfulness activities focus on personal development and community connections. Activities range from guided tours of local markets to hands-on cooking classes. Workshops led by experts in nutrition and sustainable living enhance the retreat experience. Accommodations range from basic eco-conscious lodges to luxurious all-inclusive resorts. Meals highlight creativity and flavor using fresh, local, and organic ingredients. Cooking classes provide deeper understanding of vegan cooking techniques and nutrition. Prepare for a vegan retreat by considering scheduled activities and personal preferences. Pack comfortable clothing, eco-friendly toiletries, and necessary travel documents. Mentally and emotionally prepare with mindfulness techniques like meditation and journaling.